It's summertime round '09. On the corner, real heavy, nigga won't shine. I had this thick red bone on my armpit. Angelina Jolie, nigga.
What is what it do, my YouTube family? It's Emoneyshoes here, back with another review. I just want to jump right into it. But before I jump right into it, today, who has the heat? 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'm outside. Shout out to everyone who was able to cop those Michigan 5s today. I'm still not sure we get them here in store. They probably will be a go, but I ain't going out of my way to get up at 4 a.m. in the morning. And here we go. Also, shout out to the homie I Am The Dude for laying down the track on the intro. Shout out to my bro PM Kicks for hitting that 1K gang, and also the bro McFly KOF will be joining the 1K gang pretty soon. And then we got to get Sus 313 from the D to 1K next, for all these shenanigans from the tube gets going. And like we always say on this side, it ain't a marathon, but we're gonna do it like this. Hashtag brick by brick. Let's go. You got this little box here, got the OG box, gray with your little red infrared jump man. And always team late over here, got that K. Appreciate y'all. International Marketplace Waikiki. Size 10.5. Always go up a half size on 14s. Official colorway, University Gold Black. Suggested retail price, 200 of them things. Gotta open up the box. Voila! And look, there's no stamp. But for the receipt police, got these for $146.59. Shout out to my twin, my daughter, for hooking her mother father up. Got your paper. And you always knew what we got to do with this. Shout out to you, Eric, for the one time. The Alabama Slammer. You got to check out the rear on that ass, get that butt shot. And you got this shot here. The material is kind of like that, the Air Jordan 12 that came out, that all red 12. You already know this shoe is inspired by Michael Jordan's love for sports cars. You got your like herringbone traction here. You got your yellow Jumpman. You got your Roman numeral 14. You got, it's almost like a chrome type look here, like vents on the bottom of the shoe. Coming around, you got all this nice yellow, kind of almost reminding me of like a basketball when it goes ball, right? You play in the gym and go ball, not that much grip on it, like that. Always dope to have that stitched in jump man. You got that tumbled leather on the tongue. Coming up here, you got Jordan in that red, looking like the tail like a stoplight. Because like I said, this shoe is inspired by a car pretty much, right? Then back behind here, you got your Roman numeral 14. Coming up on the side, you got your carbon fiber, right? Most sports cars get carbon fiber on the hood. Some cars got it all over the place. You got your vents here. Coming in the back, you got your tail lights. Beep, beep, right there. Oh, that's more like stop, not beep, beep. Oh, so acting so extra, right? Then you got your 23. You got your vents here like all cars do. Oh, I forgot you got your Ferrari symbol right here with your jump man, as y'all always know, on the 14s. Coming around on the media side, and then spectacular, you got vents here for breathability, right? Just like the vents you would have on your car. Taking out the shoe tree. The tongue is high on this one. And inside your shoe tree, it should be like so, 10.5 to 12, as you can see. On the lace tips, you do have nice chrome hits on the lace tips, which is very, very dope in my opinion. Also, you got a QR code in this one. If y'all haven't seen the QR code, check out my Phantom 1 vid. Show you how to use the QR code to make sure your shoes are legit. Production date 1/2/19 to 4/28/19, and you got your red Jumpman inside. Now on a Litty Lit meter, because I don't have the red ones to compare, I would give this a 4.65 out of 5. That's right, you heard, 4.65 out of 5. Pretty dope, especially for the third. They have a little something now. I can't really tell you I can see that, but that's okay. Yep, 4.65 out of 5. Let me know what you did here. These shoes move pretty fast. They may sat on the Nike app, but they move pretty quick. And we on the road to 3K, so comment, like, subscribe, and all that good stuff. Like I said, be patient with me. Right after we get done with the sneaker battles, I will be doing the giveaway as promised. Thanks for all the love and support. Hashtag brick by brick. Emoneyshoes, and we out. Peace.